In an age where consumers increasingly rely on digital tools to find local services, Google Maps has become a vital asset for small businesses aiming to attract new customers. However, many businesses are not optimized on Google Maps, resulting in a missed opportunity to engage local consumers. By offering Google Maps optimization services, you can provide a valuable service to these businesses while creating a sustainable income stream of $100 to $200 per day. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to establish a profitable Google Maps optimization service in 2025, from understanding the platform's value to acquiring and maintaining clients. Understanding the importance of Google Maps for local businesses. Google Maps has become essential for local search. With over 154 million monthly U.S. users, Google reports a 500% surge in Near Me searches, driven by consumer demand for nearby services. For local businesses, appearing on Google Maps can dramatically boost foot traffic, with 70% of consumers preferring options within a 5-mile radius. Optimized Google My Business profiles can help businesses secure a spot in Google's Local 3-Pack, the top 3 local search results, where 44% of users click. Being in this top tier can significantly increase a business's visibility and customer reach, making Google My Business optimization a key service for small to medium-sized enterprises. How Google My Business optimization drives customer traffic. Google My Business is a free tool by Google that helps businesses manage their online presence. Yet only 44% of businesses have claimed their Google My Business listing. Optimizing these profiles enhances visibility and customer engagement, with Google My Business optimized businesses seeing a 15 to 30% increase in website visits and a 30% boost in store visits. Listings with photos attract 42% more direction requests and 35% more website clicks. Google's research shows that 76% of users who conduct a local search visit a business within a day, and 28% of those searches lead to a purchase. A well-optimized Google My Business profile thus has a direct, measurable impact on both traffic and sales, making Google My Business optimization a highly valuable service. Targeting profitable client types for Google Maps optimization. When choosing clients for your Google Maps optimization services, consider service-based businesses, as they stand to benefit the most from increased local visibility. In the U.S. alone, service-based industries like plumbing, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, and electrical services have a combined annual revenue exceeding $100 billion. Other lucrative sectors include beauty salons, real estate agencies, and law offices, all of which rely on local customer bases. Service businesses frequently struggle with digital marketing and are often unaware of how Google Maps can impact their customer acquisition. These businesses are more likely to be willing to pay for help with their Google Maps presence. For instance, a plumbing business in a competitive market may be willing to invest significantly to secure a spot in the local 3-pack, where customers are actively looking for urgent services. By targeting industries where your services will have an immediate impact, you can maximize your client acquisition efforts and build a strong base of paying customers. Identifying under-optimized listings with high growth potential. Research from Moj shows that unclaimed business listings and profiles with few reviews are less likely to rank in the local 3-pack. Listings with under 5 reviews, no photos, or incomplete contact details perform poorly in search results. These under-optimized listings have high growth potential through simple improvements. To find these businesses, conduct a local search and examine results outside the top 3. Look for profiles lacking complete information, as they offer prime opportunities for optimization, with 56% of consumers stating that a business's online presence impacts their decision to visit. Enhancing these profiles can help businesses attract more customers and increase sales. Boosting rankings through citations and local listings. Citations, or mentions of a business's name, address, and phone number on sites like Yelp, Angie's List, and TripAdvisor are key for improving local search rankings. Businesses with multiple citations across credible directories are more likely to rank in Google's Local 3-pack. Whitespark's 2023 Local Search Ranking Factors survey lists citation volume and consistency among the top 5 factors for local SEO. Consistent NAP information across directories builds credibility, while inconsistencies can harm rankings and confuse customers. Businesses with at least 10 quality citations have a higher chance of ranking at the top. Managing citations for clients can greatly enhance their search visibility and customer engagement. Reaching out to clients. Effective strategies. Effective client outreach is essential to building a successful Google Maps optimization business. According to a survey by Clutch, 62% of small business owners prefer direct, personalized communication when exploring new services. Start with a customized pitch that explains how your services can directly benefit them. For instance, highlight data that shows optimized listings see 70% more visits and higher engagement. There are several ways to reach out to potential clients, including phone calls, emails, and in-person visits. If a business has a contact form or email address on its website, a brief introductory message explaining your services can open a conversation. When reaching out by phone, introduce yourself and explain how you noticed specific areas for improvement in their Google Maps listing. Tailor each pitch to their unique needs to show that you're offering a personalized solution, not just a generic service. Providing core optimization services. Core optimization services are essential for setting up a business for long-term success. Claiming an unverified Google My Business profile is the first step, as verified listings are 50% more likely to result in a purchase. Adding professional photos increases engagement by 42%, making the profile more appealing. Including accurate business hours, contact info, and a keyword-rich description ensures completeness and attractiveness. Effective optimization also involves generating and managing reviews. Listings with 5-star reviews appear 3.3 times more often than those with lower ratings. Encouraging positive reviews builds trust and boosts rankings, driving more customer engagement. Leveraging freelancers to streamline work. To maximize your efficiency, consider outsourcing some tasks to freelancers. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork provide a pool of professionals experienced in local SEO and citation management. Whitespark's local search industry report shows that 38% of agencies outsource citation building to freelancers, allowing them to focus on acquiring new clients. For as little as $5 to $10 per task, you can hire skilled freelancers to create citations, update business listings, or develop strategies for review generation. This enables you to concentrate on client acquisition and relationship management. When selecting freelancers, be sure to vet them by checking ratings and reviews. Many experienced freelancers on Fiverr offer Google Maps and citation services with positive ratings, making it easy to find reliable partners. Outsourcing these technical tasks enables you to take on more clients and scale your business efficiently. Expanding services for recurring income. Offering ongoing optimization services can generate steady revenue and enhance client satisfaction. Many businesses require continuous help to stay competitive in local search rankings. Bright Local's recent survey revealed that 52% of small business owners would consider paying for monthly local SEO services, with average monthly budgets ranging between $200 and $500. After the initial optimization, suggest monthly or quarterly services to help clients maintain their listings. Services could include regular review management, citation updates, or additional photo uploads. For instance, review management is valuable because it helps businesses respond to customer feedback, encouraging more positive reviews and fostering trust. By setting up clients on a monthly retainer, you can create a steady stream of income while providing a valuable service that keeps them competitive. Scaling and automating for long-term success. Once you have a stable client base, consider scaling your business by automating key tasks and using software tools for client management. CRM software such as HubSpot allows you to keep track of client interactions, manage billing, and schedule follow-ups. HubSpot's data shows that using a CRM tool can improve sales productivity by up to 20%. Automating parts of your outreach with email templates and reminders ensures you stay on top of client communications. As your business grows, automating repetitive tasks like follow-up emails, setting calendar reminders, and maintaining contact records allows you to handle more clients without compromising quality. Consider hiring a virtual assistant for additional administrative support, freeing up your time to focus on securing new business. By building a streamlined system, you can maintain a consistent workflow, boost your efficiency, and continue to grow your income. Thanks for sticking around. If you found these tips helpful and want more ways to boost your income online, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more exciting strategies. Let's get you to the top. See you in the next video.